Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Toyota Hilux SR dual cab ute, stock reference number 5126. This shape runs from the 8th month 2006 through to the 8th month 2011. It has a 1KD 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 1KD 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. It has an aftermarket set of 16-inch Speedy alloy mags, all with good tyres. Left power door mirror. Left rear door has 5 small dents. Left rear 16-inch Speedy mag with a good tyre. Flexiglass canopy with all fittings, without keys. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Aftermarket Trailboss towbar with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch Speedy alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 5 small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch Speedy mag with the good tyre, less the centre cap. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type centre console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel without cruise control. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.